serve their purpose and are routed directly to the recycling process, where they are reduced to crumb rubber. The recycling process is all about brute force. It starts by ripping out the larger tire's steel beads, and then enormous shredding machines start chewing up tires into fragments. Finer shredding and shaker tables then begin separating various components from within the tire. Filtering systems then collect every piece of waste material as the tire is reduced in size step by step. All this makes Mterra a whirlwind of activity beyond belief. Finely cleaned and separated materials consisting of metal strands, synthetic fibers, and fragmented rubber are all efficiently extracted and collected for the manufacturing of new and innovative products. It really is quite remarkable how they do it. Packline's place in this ecological equation was to provide a solution for their truck unload area. Mterra needed to increase their handling capacity by 40%. Their initial thought was an I-beam system, since that was very typical of other recyclers in the industry. But the engineering team at Packline had something much better in mind. It's the Packline PackMax, a heavy-duty enclosed-track overhead conveyor. This enclosed system is safe because there are no pinch points exposed. The chain is completely enclosed, safe for operators, and remains clean from all the pervasive dust and dirt that is rendered from this tire recycling process. The bearing configuration in the PackMax handles both vertical and horizontal loads, so a heavy swaying tire will not cause wear or binding in the conveyor. The PackMax can also handle very tight vertical climbs to transport material off the floor and up into the free available space above. An I-beam conveyor could have never performed these tricks nor worked within this limited space. During the developmental process of designing a unique hanger system for the tire transport, Packline's engineering department created a SolidWorks 3D simulation to help illustrate their ideas to Mterra. Once approved, Packline built a short-run test conveyor in their lab so Mterra could see how the system worked and to fully understand the benefits of the PackMax system in addressing their needs. With a few refinements, the PackMax system was installed into Mterra's facility. Now the process of evaluation and sorting any possible reusable tire was much easier. Any tires that looked in good shape or possibly reusable were loaded onto the PackMax and sent up to a custom-built mezzanine area above the warehouse floor. The entire system was designed to be ergonomically sound for employee comfort and loading. When tires arrived on the mezzanine, the Packline release mechanism removed the tires off the conveyor and sent it rolling over to the evaluation section of that department. Tires are carefully evaluated, air-tested for leaks, spun for balance integrity, and marked for quality. Any faulty tires are placed back in the Packline PackMax system and returned down to be shredded and recycled. Any tires worthy of continued use are stored and later sent down to be loaded and sold through used tire retailers. The expectations of this system was to increase capacity by 40%, but it immediately accomplished a 50% increase in capacity while needing fewer employees, reduced operator fatigue, and it saved several thousand square feet of warehouse space. This is a great savings for Mterra, and the extra